When discussing investment, the focus is often placed on risk, liquidity, returns. In practice, however, taxation is one of the variables with the greatest impact on investors' outcome. In Spain, exchange-traded instruments such as ETFs, ETIs, and other ETPs are considered transferable securities. This means that gains and losses arise at the moment of the sale, and they are taxed as capital gains, or losses within the savings tax base. This is important to emphasize that there is no specific or distinct tax regime for the ETIs. Their tax treatment depends on their nature as exchange-traded instruments and not on the underlying strategy or on the platform that issues them. One of the most common sources of confusion is tax deferral. In Spain, the tax deferral regime for transfers only applies for non-listed investment funds. By contrast, exchange-traded products like ETFs, ETIs, ETNs, ETCs, or other listed ETPs don't allow tax deferral by transfers. Each sale generates a capital gain or loss, which must be declared in personal income tax or IRPF. For an ETI investor, this means that taxation occurs when the instrument is sold. There is no tax-free mechanism between ETIs. Tax planning must consider the investment horizon and the turnover of the strategy. Depending on the structure of ETI, there may be periodic payments, coupons, or distributions linked to the strategy. These returns are taxed as investment incomes and are also included in the savings tax base. From an educational perspective, is it important to clarify key points? Although ETI doesn't provide tax advice or doesn't define tax treatment of products. Its role as issuance platform is to provide regulated infrastructure to issue and list ETIs and to ensure documentary consistency of the instruments. Before investing in ETI, it's essential to review key ID, the final terms, the tax information provided by intermediary or distributor. In case of doubt, investors are encouraged to consult a tax advisor or refer to guides published by a Spanish tax agency. Financial education starts with knowing what you're investing in, how it works, and how it is taxed. To learn more, visit altariouseti.com.